What's going on, guys? So I have a pretty cool video for you today. Today I'm here with Kyle, and we'll introduce him in a second, but I'm starting a case study with Kyle. Kyle's one of my best friends since growing up. I've known him for a while, and the goal is going to be to really grow his YouTube channel and get him to making a full-time income and eventually a millionaire. I don't know what I want to call this series yet, but I'm going to walk you through kind of me teaching him and him starting and doing certain things for personal branding. So starting a YouTube channel, growing that, and maybe an Instagram, a Facebook, and just what it's like to start from the bottom up. Because right now he has a channel, has 90 subscribers, I think.
Yep.
So I'm going to introduce you to Kyle. He's going to give himself a little background on himself, and then we'll talk about kind of his goals and what we're starting off doing.
Yeah, so originally I started about a year ago selling on Amazon, put out a few different products, and I think it was right around the time I started selling is when Tanner started YouTube. So obviously I saw him, skyrocket and like gain all this momentum from that. And so he finally talked me into starting a YouTube channel and promoting myself that way and kind of having another stream of income through that and just slowly building that up. So that's really my goal. I'm at like 90 subscribers right now, but definitely.
It's good for only a couple videos so far.
Yeah.
And then you just graduated college a couple months ago?
Yeah.
With a business degree?
Graduated in international business about 5 months ago, something like that. Did that, wasn't really sure what I wanted to do exactly as far as an occupation. So I've been really focusing on like the online work and then having that freedom to do whatever I want with my time.
And you actually found a decent amount of success with Amazon initially. So you started one product, it did pretty well. I don't know if you want to share numbers. And then you started a second product, which ended up being one that a lot of people sold the same exact thing. Do you care if I say what it is?
Oh, you can.
So he sold an angle-izer, which a lot of you will probably know. A lot of people jumped on that. It's low price. Everything looks the exact same. And it's hard to differentiate. But you did something different and were able to sell them very quick. How many were you selling at like your peak? Like 10 a day?
I got up to about 20 a day, actually.
20 a day.
Which was like kind of stupid, just because everyone was struggling so much trying to sell that product because everyone was trying to sell it. But yeah, so basically what I did is I took like a different approach of instead of like everyone was bidding like $3 per
click
per click on Amazon for advertising, and so instead of just only doing that, I was able to drive traffic through Facebook advertisements as well as doing a couple different things with Amazon advertising as well to drive sales, which was huge because there was probably like 300 new people that joined at the same time.
Exactly.
So it was like impossible to get sales organically or even through like the main keywords that everyone was trying to like bid for.
So the main focus you're going for with your channel right now is going to be Facebook ads.
Yeah, so mainly Facebook ads and how that can help
any business
model, really. I've been successful with it in like a number of different areas, but it's just like free money at the end of the day. Like it's easy to if you invest a little bit and know how to properly set up Facebook advertisements, it's just like you're driving so much more traffic. And then with that, especially with newer products on Amazon, you can build up that sales velocity and then just get more sales organically as well.
Yeah, and get them ranked.
Yeah, so.
Again, guys, so the series is going to be me teaching Kyle and showing the exact strategies and what he's using as a case study for building a YouTube and monetizing it in multiple ways. And also, along the way, he'll help us with ads for either Amazon or Shopify or your personal brand and everything in general. So you'll learn something along the way. And of course, his link will be the first thing in the bio. But I want to go over what your goals look like because I made the goals with you, kind of helped you out a little bit. And like most people, he thinks the goals are way too high. But with other people I've taught and just what I've seen, perfect example was I have something on my computer right now that I was showing them where someone's making 6 figures a month with 3,400 subscribers. So another student making 30,000 a month with 4,000 subscribers.
Yeah.
So it's just crazy. So will you share the goals you have on your phone real quick with them just so they know where you're actually starting and what's actually possible along the way with the series?
So those examples are just insane, seeing people like make that much or
well, like when I started
subscribers so quickly.
10,000 a month seemed unrealistic and a lot, and then now it's completely changed. But
making an extra, even an extra $1,000 a month is like kind of crazy to think about. Just like even if you're doing it on the side, like making YouTube for fun, doesn't have to be like your
Exactly.
your main income, you know. Yeah. So originally I was like, okay, if I can hit, because I don't know, I could probably hit 1,000 after a year subscribers, maybe like, you know, a decent side income. And so Tanner wiped that out of the water.
Well, put it this way. I've been doing YouTube for less than 13 months, a little over a year now. So
yeah,
have fun with that. All right,
so definitely,
goals.
Yeah, it's definitely possible to get there, I guess. So I updated my subscriber count. I'm hoping by the end of the year, I can hit 10,000 subscribers. And
I still think that's low, by the way.
10K subscribers, and then making 10,000 per month at the end of the year.
Also low.
And then I'm hoping for like my total income for the entire year hitting 90,000 for like my gross income, and then just expand all my different like Amazon stuff.
So it's mainly building your YouTube, monetizing that, building up your Amazon, and then do you want to go into Shopify at all? Just anything where you can make money with ads pretty much?
Yeah, I want to expand more into like different niches that I can use like my advertising experience to help with. Also just like, you know, making the Instagram account as well. And then...
Any car goals? Most important, obviously.
The car goal is Corvette Z06, which I was a big fan of.
Good car.
When Tanner had one, yeah. So that's the goal. Seems pretty unrealistic, but we'll see.
15K down, 800 bucks a month. Not bad.
Yeah.
Any like long term, like what's your motivation for starting entrepreneurship? Why do you want to do this?
So long-term goal would be that I don't have to work like 8 to 10 hours a day if I don't want to, or like the flexibility of having like your own job. You're employing yourself. So, you know, I can spend 15 hours in a day working and throwing out videos and, you know, setting up new like products and advertisements and stuff like that, or I can, you know, go on vacation for 2 weeks and it doesn't really matter. So yeah. I think that's like a huge like something that I admire about entrepreneurs in general is that they like have flexibility in their schedule.
So just to document, since this is going to be an ongoing series, we're going to try and do 1 or 2 videos a week on this, update the strategies and stuff we're using. What's your starting point? How much are you making right now? How much do you have in your bank account if you're comfortable sharing it?
Yeah, so online right now, I'm making about just under $2,000 a month from like everything online that I do.
And that's profit?
Yeah, that's profit like coming into my bank account. And then in like savings right now, I have like a few thousand.
Okay.
So that's my starting point.
It's a good starting point. It's higher than most people right now. So
yeah.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is going to be a series we're going to do every week or 2 because Kyle's staying with me right now. So we're going to try and really grow that YouTube. If you haven't already, go subscribe to him on YouTube. He'll be the first link in my bio. And if you guys want any special videos or any topics around this kind of case study we're going to be doing, just leave them in the comments and let me know. And make sure to go follow Kyle. Leave a comment on his videos. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.